Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's practice 4 Tai Chi moves for calm harmony. Subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Let's learn and practice 4 Tai Chi moves for a calm harmony. First, let me demonstrate. I begin with holding the ball, and I'm going to go into Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. Next, I'm going to take a half step up and go into Needle at the bottom of the C. Then I'm going to come up and go into a single whip. And finally, I'm going to take a half step up and go into White Crane Spreads Wings. Now let me break it down move by move. So to begin, I have my weight on my left foot and I'm holding the ball with my right hand under. I step out with my right heel and my right hand comes up and I press out with my left hand. Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. And again on the other side. Step out with the left heel, left hand comes up, and press out with the right hand. Now I take a half step up. My left hand comes in front of my face. My right hand goes up over my ear, and then I sink and go down to Needle at the bottom of the C. Next, I'm going to come up and prepare for my single whip. My weight's on my right leg. I step out with my left heel and I rotate my left hand out. Relax your shoulders into single whip. Then I'm going to take a half step up and shift my weight back. Left palm over right forearm. Now I bring my center back to the middle as I go into White Crane Spreads Wings. Now follow me from behind. And one more time together. From hold the ball, Fair Lady Works the Shuttles, Needle at the bottom of the C, single whip, and White Crane Spreads Wings. That was 4 Tai Chi moves for calm harmony. Watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi moves and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay strong.